November 2024. I haven't done a video on XRP for a very long time just because, nothing's really been going on. And since the election, lots of things have started to shift and change. So if we just zoom out to the monthly chart, just to start with, what we have to remember is price is always going to do two things. That's either take liquidity or seek to rebalance and then take it again. So from a monthly perspective, any shorts that were above this area here have now been taken. Obviously, I've got that set not to be viewed on the monthly chart, so we'll just do it manually. So up here, any sort of liquidity on the monthly, any shorts from back in the 21st September, that's all been taken. That's all gone. When we come down to a weekly, again, you can see relatively equal highs. And again, on the daily, we just scroll back over here. You're going to have a lot of people that were short from this position to where we were at the start of, what's that, November? And this is where we are on the daily. So when we look at what price is doing, also had a big move up. We have left some imbalance. Just go down to the 4 hour. And again, from what I understand and how I look at charts, if we use this swing low to this swing high, we can see the price has tapped into that 62 or 618 level, and there is a possibility we may see price run back below this area just to take that that low out. So again, from a trading point of view, there may be a lot of people that when we've seen price pull back, hit that 618, we're going to have some sort of stop losses below this level. And there's probably a lot of people saying that if this level holds, that's where we want to, we can hold this level. But again, price may want to spike down, grab that, and then go. And again, with a lot of price action, you'll see ranges, initiations out, price come back to mitigate, to then continue. So that's my thoughts on the 4 hour. And again, we can see on the 15, it's been sort of very much sort of sideways, and there's probably some room possibly for price to come back in, take that before we go higher. So just based on this leg of price action, which is the 4 hour and the daily, if I draw this on properly, looking where price may want to reach for, and again, this is not set in stone. I mean, I've got my ideas of where price may want to be, but if we look at where, if we hit 4 standard deviations, that'd be around the $4 mark. So again, we will see. I mean, I've been looking more so at the weekly leg of price. So from this swing low to this swing high. And again, that will put you up about $6. When we look at what I have, I think I've posted this on Twitter, using the monthly leg, because again, we haven't broken this range. This swing point, this A to B point here, is a price, this leg, price has come all the way in. We've moved sideways, you can see here, since the 22nd of May. So a good 2 years of just sideways action, and prices eventually pushed out. I mean, you look back here, sideways, push up. Here, sideways, push up. Obviously, this is all speculation. Nothing is guaranteed. We don't know what's going to happen. But with the changes in the landscape, as it were, and again, lots of consolidation, move up. What's happening now? Lots of consolidation. I know lots of people using their triangles and all that sort of stuff. Not for me. However, looking at, as I said, the retracement of this leg, we may see price want to run that before going longer. So we will see where price goes. And that is that. There's nothing more to do because, again, every price speculation is exactly that. It's just speculation. But again, we are creating these nice ranges where price is just sort of sat consolidating before a push up. Again, creating these price ranges where price is sat consolidating before we may see a move up. Now for me, if price goes below $1 again, then we may see a bit of a further pullback. But that's the opposite side of the coin. You've got to look at both sides. I'm holding for the long term, so it doesn't make any difference to me. This is just all intraday. We're probably about 4 or 5 years behind where price should be. And at the moment, if we keep getting, especially on the weekly, a nice weekly close, or even on the monthly, we've got 4 days left of the month, we'll see what happens.